Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Because I want to cancel about the square root, this one and this one, so we need to use about a square minus b square. We just have only a minus b. Now we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So if we simplify it and we have like this, next tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. And now I will put cosine x on here. Next, the next one, we have cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a square. And sine 2a equal to 2 sine 8 cosine 8. So, in this one, we transform sine x into sine of s over 2 multiplied by number 2. Cosine x, that is about cosine of s over 2 multiplied by number 2. Similar for the second one in here. So this one we transform into this one. This one should be about positive, because negative and negative in here you got positive. This one we transform by this one. And this one we transform by this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. And now we need to simplify 2 sine of s over 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, s simplify this one and divide for this one. Next, I will put number 2 in here. That means we have another number 2 in here. Next, we have the formula in here. So that means when s approaches to number 0, this one equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 0 in here. So we simplify this one and we have 3/4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.